Honorable, it is your time, it's your turn.
Honestly.
It's your turn.
Good afternoon, Dad. Good afternoon, sir.
Is that your first?
No, sir. She's my second.
Oh.
The first is still at work.
Beautiful. How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What do you do?
I just finished from the university, sir. I'm also a model.
Oh, you did look like a model.
Thank you, sir.
So pretty.
Thank you.
You look just like your mom. God bless her.
Thank you very much, sir. Please excuse me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm booking that one for my son.
But you haven't met the other two.
That's true. But I like that one. Besides, you know I have 3 other boys. Plenty to go around.
Okay, sir. Anything you say.
Yeah, that is why I like you. It is why you are the man for the job.
I promise I will think about it.
So you say, but we don't have much time. I suppose to report back to the party before this weekend.
I understand, Chief. I'll get back to you way before then.
Okay. If you insist, I'll be expecting your call then.
But I insist you should have someone meet your office, Chief.
Oh, look at you. If you say yes now, you'll be receiving a lot of plenty visitors. The king will come. Talk of anybody from the country. As a shaman. You are there.
Yes, sir.
Don't let me go. And besides, don't forget my appointment bookings.
Oh, no problem. No problem, Chief.
Okay. My honorable.
Yes.
You are blessed.
Yes, sir. That's it, girls. What do you think?
I don't understand. Why you? Is there no other person that can head the local government in the entire party?
I asked him the same question too, but he insisted that I'm the only one available now. It's 3 of us that are educated in this entire constituency. The first one already joined the opposition party. The second one traveled abroad with his family. And I'm the third and only one available now.
I don't like the idea at all.
What don't you like about it? Politicians make a lot of money. And this could be the beginning of Dad's journey to presidency. I love the idea.
So you will allow Dad get into this because of fame and money?
Oh, please. We all have things that tickle our fancies. Mine happens to be fame and money, and I am not ashamed of it.
Girls, it's not that serious yet. There's no money or fame anywhere. They just need me to serve my local government, provide social amenities for the people, and take care of their total well-being. Honestly, I feel honored to be offered this, really.
I think it's a cool idea. I don't like politics, but Daddy, you're a good man. You would do great.
Thank you, honey.
Good people become bad. Politics does that to you. Dad, I am not in support of this at all. I mean, there are other ways you can serve. You don't have to join a party or head a local government.
Shade, that's the thing. You overthink everything. That's why you're still single. You need to let go and live life.
What has that got to do with anything? Why don't you use your brain?
Girls, that is enough. I still have 3 days to think about it. Besides, it's my decision to make. I just thought I should let you know about it. Please drop it.
But Dad...
Shade, please drop it.
You two don't get my point. Politics is dirty. Don't you watch those American movies? Don't you know history? People die.
That is exactly what I've been trying to tell you since yesterday, Shade. You are overthinking things. It is not that serious.
That's how it appears from the beginning. That's how they rope him in. Then when it's time to get out, it becomes serious. See, do you know that they go to shrines to swear?
Huh. I saw that in a movie and I told Daddy about it. But he said he was assured that he won't do that and then he's recognized to be a Christian.
That's a lie. That's a big, fat lie. They're only saying that to rope him in.
Shade, see how you just laughed like a psychologically unstable person? Ha! You have to relax, oh. Haba.
See, I know what I'm talking about. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I just need you to be with me on this. And see, if we agree on this, Dad won't defy us and go ahead with it.
That is the thing, Shade. I want this. I'm fine with it. And I'm sure Bumi is too, right? Besides, Dad is really excited about this. And I haven't seen him this happy in a very long time. Don't you want your daddy to be happy? Don't you?
You don't understand. You don't.
And I've given you 2 days to make me understand. And if you ask me, you have been doing a very terrible job at it. And at this point, I really am bored. I'm just gonna go. Don't nobody got time for this. I'm going to bed, guys. Good night.
Tayo, please now.
Shade, just relax, okay, and look at the good side. I'm sure you get to like the idea. Good morning, Dad.
Morning, Dad.
Morning, angels. Ready for the day?
Yes, we are. Hope you slept good.
I did. Like a baby.
Okay.
I had some funny dreams though.
Daddy, you dreamt that you're already local government chairman, right? Me too. It was your induction party and it was so much fun.
You guys are your funny dreams. But Daddy, though, have you made up your mind yet?
Yes, actually I have. I want to do this. But your sister, where is she, by the way?
She's in her room. She said she does not have to go to work early today. But Daddy, I think she'll eventually come around. She shouldn't be the reason you say no.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. All right, Daddy. We're just gonna go now. Take care.
Bye, Dad.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Chairman. Hey, are you ready to go to work now?
Yes, Dad. But may I discuss something with you first?
Okay, come sit.
I couldn't sleep.
Why not?
Politics is dirty, Dad. I've heard stories. I've watched movies. I've read books. And I've studied history. It just has a way of soiling one's robe. Daddy, I really do not want you to do this.
I understand your concern, Shade. And I appreciate the way you came to me about this. But I've equally done my homework. I told them I'm a Christian and that I wouldn't compromise my faith for anything, no matter what. I equally told Chief Ojo that if I'm going to join the party, I would not be involved in the party activity. And he assured me that I only need to join the party for record's sake. I don't have to.
Daddy, that's what they say. They lie. People lie. And politicians lie even more. Daddy, Chief Ojo is a politician. And he knows that those words are exactly what you want to hear.
Shade, I'm not a child. Would I see fire and knowingly walk into it? I know what I'm doing. If I see anything that is not going right, I'll leave. It's not a do or die affair.
Actually, it is. But seems like you already made up your mind to join the party.
I already did yesterday. I want to serve my people. The roads are deplorable and the light condition is nothing to write home about. People are suffering. And I'm given this opportunity to get things right. Isn't that great?
It's amazing. I just hope that things work out as you imagined it.
Just like your mother. You worry too much. Everything will just be fine.
Yeah, well, someone has to worry, no?
Definitely. But not too much. Let me call Chief and thank you for the kind permission.
Okay. See you later, Dad.
Okay then. Hello? Yes, sir. I told you I'll get to you before them. Yes, sir.
If you see the kind of car that brings this girl to school every day, my God.
Ha! Before, her father is a senator now. What do you expect? It's no joke.
Yes, so. As no one dares to talk to her anyhow. I was telling Sonia that...
Who is Sonia?
My best friend.
You change best friends every term? Wasn't it Chidima the other time?
Please, Jerry. Chidima is history. She behaves too childish. I was telling Sonia that my daddy wants to run for local government chairman. She was so excited and me. She took it so personal. Started telling everybody my dad is going to become a governor like very soon.
I beg you, don't tell anybody. Let them not jinx it for us.
Okay. So you mean you have not told anybody?
Well, not really. I told Chuksha and Emerald, and I told Dayo, and I think I told Nkechi, and I think I told Chichi. Then I probably told... I'm not sure.
Hey, what's up? Why are you guys so happy?
Don't mind us, Jerry. How's your day?
Not bad. I have the rest of the week off. My boss traveled. That man can travel for Africa. Anyway, I'm even happy, sir, because I'm really tired. I need to rest.
Lucky you.
Where's Dad?
Oh, you didn't get a message?
My phone's been off.
Well, he sent a message. He said that he was going for some political party meeting in Ekpe.
Ekpe?
Yeah.
Did you see when he'll be coming back?
Well,
This is 11 p.m.
yep.
You called me.
His phone is switched off.
That's not good. That's not good at all.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
Better not tell any more people.
You've already got that.
Come in. Come in. Dad.
You were asleep when I came in yesterday.
What time did you get in? I kept trying your number before I slept off.
I got in around 2 a.m. The meeting...
What? 2 a.m. in the middle of the night? Daddy, that is so wrong. I was so worried about you.
I know. I'm sorry. Some members of the party came late to join us and we had to see some other people.
Dad, you're not even a member yet. I mean, what's with all the fuss?
No, I'm not officially a member yet, but that will happen next week. It's just introductions. It's necessary.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, fine. As long as you're all right.
Thank you, darling. Now, let me quickly rush off.
Another meeting?
Yes. It was too late to meet two members of the political party. But it's going to happen today. I should be home early.
No, I am not all right. I need your help. Auntie, I am so glad you're here.
How do you think I could sleep well after such a news? Politics? In
fact, I don't even understand it at all. Tayo and Bumi are not even helping issues. All they are thinking about is the money and the fame.
How will they understand anything? Eh? They are being childish. Do they think that kind of money comes without anything attached to it?
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
It's never free.
Wow. Tiamaka. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you too, Tayo. How are you?
I think I'm fine. Tiamaka, is everything all right?
Depends on your perspective. In my view, everything isn't all right. And I am here to make sure it is.
Oh. Tiamaka, is this about Daddy's political ambition? Shade, you told her.
Eh? Look at the time Daddy came in yesterday. Doesn't that bother you in any way? What is wrong with you?
No, the question is, what is wrong with you? Daddy is not a child. He made a decision. Don't you think he knows what he's doing?
And what if he doesn't? Hey, Tayo, what if he doesn't? He has good intentions, I agree. But he doesn't know what he's getting into.
Oh, you know what he's getting into because you are God. Abi?
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know. You're so annoying that I don't even...
You cannot be disrespectful to your sister. Eh? What is this madness? In my presence?
Tiamaka, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself, Tayo. Now you will apologize to your sister. Now.
Shade, I am sorry. Now, if the both of you will please excuse me. I have to be in my room, excuse me.
Come back here! Come back. Stand there. Your own house.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
I came to talk sense into you. Politics is a bad idea.
Who told you about this and brought you all the way for nothing?
Hi, Sumbo. Yesterday you came home 2 a.m. Today you are coming after 1. You still think that I came here all the way for nothing?
I tried to come in earlier, but the meeting took longer than expected.
Ikun, stop this thing before it goes too far. Eh? This late night is just a tip of the iceberg.
I want to serve my people. We keep crying that somebody should fight for them, provide for them. Now I have the opportunity and I don't get the support.
Sumbo, they came to you for a reason. They will get you there and begin to make demands. I am telling you, you will not even be able to do all the things that you want to do. And all these your honorable intentions will become history. I have friends in politics. They tell me things. Bikon, listen to your daughter.
Oh, so Shade put you up to this? But I thought she gave her support.
You were not listening to her. So she told you what you wanted to hear. It's the same thing these party people are doing to you, Kwan.
Okay, Amaka. I've heard you.
Okay.
But I really need to get some sleep now. I'm exhausted.
Okay. All right.
Tamaka, thank you so much. I really appreciate all your help.
It's all right. Whatever happens, God is involved. We won't stop praying. Even if he gets in and they make him a chairman, we won't stop praying. His own story might be different. Who knows?
I guess I was just overthinking everything like Taya said.
Yes.
There are Christian politicians everywhere, I'm sure.
It's all right.
Thank you.
You are doing just fine. All will be well.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so
very
much.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, my daughter. You are the first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you.
This is the form. Thank you, Shade.
This one look quiet. She will be good for my second son.
Chief, you and your matchmaking. Meanwhile, I have a question.
Yes.
I do not understand what Chief Arolo meant about his share of the revenue.
Well, he is the party's godfather. Part of monthly revenue that comes to local government always goes to him. Anyway, let me tell you something. Don't go to that area at all. Let's get into the chair first.
No, I need to know now. How much is this part?
How much is the money? How much? Just 70%.
What? 70% of the revenue?
That is how it is done. He will give us money to campaign for you and make sure he gets you to the seat. That's how we are doing it. We've been doing it and then we are still going to do it.
But so how much work will 30% do in the local government?
Sumbo. We don't expect you to do everything now. If you do the little one you can do during your own time, somebody else is coming to take over from you.
No.
You know what I mean? Do the little one you can do. When that person take over, it will continue. Yours is just wait till when we get to the bridge. Surely we will cross.
No, I'm not interested.
You are not interested?
No, I can't do this. I can't work under such conditions. So it's better not to get started in the first place. Thanks for your offer, but no.
Olasumbo, don't you think you are overreacting?
I'm not.
You are!
I've just realized I don't want to get my family dragged into this.
Oh God.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'm not interested.
Sumbo.
No.
Look at my face. Sumbo.
Chief, no.
70%? That's ridiculous.
I'm telling you, I didn't even know what to say.
Thank God you asked though. The corruption in this country is too much.
That's how it is everywhere. It's politics.
You're right, Shade. I should have listened to you.
No, you should read more. That's all. Dad, I'm just glad you got out of this early. There's a lot more filth, trust me.
So, how are you going to take care of the people when one man is taking 70% of the money?
Exactly. He said I can't finish the job, but the next person after me will finish it up.
There goes my fame and money. That is what happens when you have an upright father and a worrisome sister. Oh.
Don't worry, eh? Your modeling will give you money and fame.
When? 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 So far. This would have been the easiest route now.
You've already gone through your word.
Get out of here, blow your eyeball. If my money dead, don't calm down. It's your
First daughter.
first daughter of the state, Daddy, you don't know.